Alright, yeah, welcome back. So I got this 2020 Kia Sorento S. So I'm going to do the I-beam lights. You can see the regular halogen bulb in there. See that shade that you have right here. That's the LED on that side. So these are some new Auxito LED light bulb. This is 905 HB3. So I'm going to check. I'm not sure what this is yet. So I'm going to open it soon and check what is going on there. So let me jump into the video and start to change the bulb. So let me do the driver side. So right here, you're gonna twist this knob right here and pull it off just like this, guys. So let me turn off the light first. Put the key off, put it on the seat. Alright, so let me remove the bulb. See if I can get the video to focus behind there. So you're gonna twist the bulb just like that, guys. Alright, so that's it right there, guys. Now push this piece. Try to use my one on. Push this knob up. Alright, and there you go. So that's it's a bit hot. Let's see. Alright, so 905. So that will sit it right there. Remove this bulb. Alright, shake it off. So here I got some gloves. These gloves are so small I don't know if it can fit on my hands. So I set it right there. So I got some seal. So I got another in here, right here, some draw strap. So one of this right there. These are the bulbs. Alright, so these look super bright. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get it inside. See if I can plug this piece on. Alright, so I plug it on right there. It's alright, so I'll get it in there, guys, right there. So even on the back, I forgot to show you that it's also got a fan in the back to keep it cool. So I'm going to do the other side. I'm not put on the back on it as yet. I'm going to make sure everything is working fine. Alright, remove this side. Twist it and put it off just like that, guys. Push the top off, that's the connector right there. Twist the bulb out. There we go. This other one in. Alright, the lock. Put this one on. Alright, so I'm gonna test the light now and see what's going. Turn the key on. Turn the light on. Put it on bright. Alright, so it's on bright right there. Alright guys, so I'm going to have to split this Chinese video because for some reason it stopped videoing, so That's it right there, guys. So I'm going to make sure I do a video tonight where it's dark to show you outcome of this light. You can see it working. Yeah, it's pretty bright and shine on the back. There you go, guys. So that's it for now. So stay tuned for the other part of the video.